Hi, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to add a comment in Excel sheet. So here I have one example where last time in my previous video I have showed you how to compare two columns. In the result I have somewhere false. So for this what I am doing, I am just applying filter to find out the odd values. If we click here, we will see true and false. So here I can see majorly the true values, so we'll select the false where it is, and here is the false. It became as a false because these column A and column B both values are not matching. That's why we got a value as a false based on my condition. Okay, so for this, so here I want to add a comment saying that because of these two values, column A and column B is mismatched, because of that we got value as a false. So if you want to add comment like that, so you need to go to review and click on new comment. So here you will get a comment. So whatever the text you want to enter to recognize, whatever the text you want to show when you place a cursor over there, so same text you can enter here. So I'm entering column A and column B values are not equal. So I have entered the text over here, comment, and then I'm clicking outside of the selected area. You can observe here that there is a red mark on top of the cell. Okay, so now I will remove the filter and we'll see 267 data filter 267. So I'm just navigating to the value where it is. See, here we have a value false, and it was there was a red color on top of top corner of the cell. So once you place your mouse cursor here, you will get the text which you have. You will get a comment which you have added while adding the comment. Okay. So if you want to delete the comment, then you just select here and go to review, and here you have an option called delete. And if you want to edit, you can do edit by clicking on edit comment. So this is how you can add comments in Excel sheet. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates.